Did you know that over 1 million expats live in Portugal? How do they make friends in a new country? Moving to a new country can be a bit overwhelming while working out the visa and resident card statuses. That is why it is so important to make friends. While at first you might feel isolated, the expat community is strong in Portugal and the Portuguese people are so friendly. It's easy to make friends if you try just a little bit. Explore expat groups and go to local restaurants. People who live here are happy to chat. We have lived in 3 communities in Portugal in 3 years. Just by making a small effort, we have made expat friends and Portuguese friends. One day, our neighbors invited us to a fundraising gala. Truthfully, I wasn't sure about going, but we did. We made many friends there, including our very best US expat friends that we did not know before. In short, make a little effort and you will have a community in no time. Please share your thoughts on making new friends in the comments or questions you might have if you are considering or in the middle of a move. Thank you. Obrigada.